One thing that we've been talking a lot about here at the Frog Project recently is this idea of self-compassion and gratitude and joy. Sometimes it's easy to feel joy and gratitude when everything in life is going really smoothly, but it's really difficult to even begin to access these emotions when life is hard. But for many of us, life is hard a lot of the time. And it doesn't mean that we can't start to tap into some of these things. Physiologically, the heart wants to be beating, wants to be filling up and hopefully helping you feel better. And so this short practice is designed for anybody, whether you're having an easy time at the moment or whether life is pretty tough, to help bring that joy and that gratitude into the space of the heart and hopefully help it to spill out into the world around you. So come with me now. I'm Carrie from the Frog Project, and we're going to go through this short practice together to cultivate joy, compassion, gratitude. So let's take a few moments here. Be sitting comfortably however you like. Let your hands rest. Take a breath or two. And just notice how you feel. Perhaps you bring one hand or both hands onto your chest. And see if you can sense the beating of your heart. If you can't, maybe you just feel the breath beneath your hands. Just for another moment or two. Let tension in the jaw go, around the eyes, the shoulders. And maybe a big sigh out of the mouth. Good. Relax your arms down. Give your shoulders a roll. Breathe and reach your arms up. And exhale, gently open them out like a cactus here. Elbows parallel with the shoulders, fingers spread nice and wide. As you breathe in, we're going to draw the shoulder blades back towards each other. Elbows back, open your chest. Exhale, bring your elbows in towards each other, chin down, let the back round. Inhale, open up, open the chest. Exhale, rounding here. One more time, breathe in, nice big opening through your chest. And exhale, rounding in. Bring yourself to the center, relax the arms down, shoulders, take a roll. Good. Lean onto one side, untuck your legs, bring yourself onto all fours. Breathe in, drop your belly, press into your hands, open your chest as you lift your gaze. Exhale, nice big round through the spine, chin draws in. So we'll do this a couple more times, very similar to the seated movement we just did. Bringing some movement into the spine and some space into the chest. One more time. Good. Roll yourself back to the center. Bring your knees a little wider, big toes towards each other. Crawl your hands forward, fingers spread nice and wide. Take a big breath here, and as you exhale, let your bottom stick up towards the sky as your chest and chin melt down towards the floor. Now, if this is a lot for your shoulders, you can bend your elbows, maybe even make a pillow for your head. If it feels okay, let your chest drop down. Take another breath or two here. And then slowly lift yourself up, bring your knees in a little bit and everything onto your tummy. Give your tummy a little roll, a little massage from side to side. Press down into your hands, breathe open through your chest. And exhale, hips back towards your heels. Take a breath in your child's pose. Slowly roll yourself back out onto your hands and knees. Tuck your toes, send those hips high, downward facing dog. Slowly crawl your feet all the way up to meet your hands. Little bend in the knees as you roll your whole self to stand. And exhale, hands down. This time, step your feet really wide. Bring your heels in, turn your toes out, and we'll breathe and lift everything up. And as you exhale, bend into your knees and cactus your arms like we did in the beginning. Inhale, lift tall. Exhale, slowly back down. And one more time, just like that, breathe in, lift up. Exhale slowly, sinking just a little lower. Well done. Breathe in, lift up. This time, bring your feet parallel. Catch the fingers behind you as you breathe in, lift open through your chest. And as you exhale, gently bend forward, head and neck heavy. Soft bend in the knees if this helps. And if this is too strong for the arms, just drop them back down towards the ground. Take another breath or two here. And slowly release your hands down to the floor. Pull your hands forward. Step your front foot back either to your downward facing dog or onto your knees. Take another breath here. And exhale, lower your knees to the floor. Keep the toes tucked, roll up. Big breath here, reach up through both arms. Turn your right little finger back as you swim it down towards your left heel. Maybe turn your chest, your gaze, your belly open. Roll everything back to the center. Turn your left little finger, swim it down to your left heel. Maybe turn your hips, your belly, your chest open, lean back. Exhale slowly. All the way down now, hands to the ground as you come gently onto your knees. Bring your hands behind you, holding onto the inside of the arches of your feet. Spine nice and tall, chest open. Take a breath or two here. Or if this isn't feeling nice on your knees, just sit in any other seated place. Breathing into the chest, perhaps now bringing the hands back onto the heart. Maybe you feel the beat. Maybe you just feel the breath a little deeper. Perhaps calling to mind one thing recently that happened that made you smile. Maybe just even feeling the sun on your face or hearing a bird sing or a song you like coming on the radio. Remembering that when times are hard, we can still practice building space in the body, making things a little easier. When you're ready, open your eyes. Thank you so much for joining. Let me know how it went, if you liked it. And if you want to do some more yoga with me or with my wonderful teachers, we do have an amazing community of women that take care of each other, that look after each other, and support each other when times are easy, when times are tough, feeling better together. So come check it out or just do these short practices. All is good. Take care and see you soon.